This is Bulldog 777 right up here in Maine with the wave. I'm doing a little mobile test here on Uniden Bearcat 980 SSB radio, and this would be the RF Limited Xtreme 2018. And yeah, I got this thing all wired up in here, and I figure I see where I'm at here on the levels here. So I got the echo delay and the echo volume both just below 2 on both of them here. Audio and radio. Bulldog up here in Maine with the wave. Talkback running here on the radio, and I'm not sure if that affects the overall quality, whether or not the microphone does pick up the talkback. So as a reference here, I have the talkback off, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I do have the double talk on. And right now I have it on the echo part here. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I have the noise reducer off. Keep in mind I'm stationary. The car is at idle. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm doing here is seeing if this is overmodulated, so I can have this set up with the noise reducer on. That would be great when I travel. When I'm parked stationary, noise reducer off, gives a little extra punch out there, so the noise reducer is off. Microphone, the gain control on the pod is about a quarter of a way, cracked just a little bit open there, a quarter of a way there. That's how I've been running this. I got the noise reducer back on, and the gain set up here, the microphone gain on Uniden, Bearcat 980 SSB, that would be on 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the microphone gain on the CB is at 1. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The noise reducer is on. And the noise reducer is off. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, the microphone gain on the radio is at 1. I'm kind of up in the air between 1 or 2. And I know 3 is a little bit much. But I'll see how 3 is. Okay, this would be 3. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noise reducer is on. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noise reducer is off. The double talk is on. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not running any echo. We're going to go through the span here on the no echo. Noise reducer is off. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noise reducer is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Microphone gain on the radio is at 3. Okay. Microphone gain is on 2. Noise reducer is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noise reducer is off. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gain on the radio is at 1. Noise reducer is on. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noise reducer is off. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm back with I got the Talkback on, how I set it up before, and I'm just seeing if it picks up the Talkback here. Noise reducer is on. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know if I take the noise reducer off, that I'll get feedback, and I'm not going to go there. Okay, this is how I originally had it set up. With the gain on the radio, microphone gain at 2. Noise reducer is on. The echo just below 2. Echo, delay, and volume. And I got the double Talkback. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bulldog, bulldog, bulldog. Now, it's on the echo part. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bulldog, 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 bulldog. Talkback is off. Bulldog, 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 bulldog. We are on the echo part. Bulldog, bulldog, bulldog. Double Talkback. Bulldog, bulldog, bulldog. Okay. Got the Talkback on. Back it down to 3. Was on 4. Think this should be good. Okay, this would be it. I want to thank everybody for watching. Once again, this is my kind of test here, seeing how things are set up. I analyze it on the video and share it out so others can check it out. You all take care. This is the Uniden Bearcat 980 SSB with the RF Limited Xtreme 2018. This would be Bulldog 777, 777, right up here in Central Maine.